How to crimp RJ45 cable. Tools required for crimping. MX3002 modular crimping tool. MX2245A RJ45 connector. Step 1. Crimping the cable. The cable inside the tool and remove the outer covering of the cable, exposing the colored wires. Step 2. Separating the colored wires. Separate the colored pair of wires. Now, straight the colored wires so that the twisted cable wires will smooth. Step 3. Arranging the cables as per the diagram and leveling the rough edges. Step 4. Put the cable inside the RJ45 connector. Step 5. Crimping the connector. Put the RJ45 connector inside the crimping tool. Press the tool under the connectors and properly crimp it. Your RJ45 is ready.